Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm continuing talking about my lead gen secret, and I just wanted to show you the private Facebook group that I'm a part of. And if you join me in my lead gen secret, you'll get the link where you can join my lead gen secret success Facebook group. And this is a group that was made by a person who's in my lead gen secret and is getting a lot of success in it, and he provides tips and strategies on how to be successful with my lead gen secret. And there are other top leaders in this Facebook group who are sharing their email swipes with us, their daily swipes that we can use to send to our leads in my lead gen secret. So let me just go over some posts here inside the group. This one was just posted 31 minutes ago by Eugene. Just made another sale using email swipe of the day number 18. And again, you'll get these email swipes too when you join me in my lead gen secret, and you get access to this private Facebook group. Okay, and just made another sale using email swipe of the day number 18, also using the internal mailer to the leads in the back office. So he's using that swipe to email to the leads inside of my lead gen secret, and people are signing up to it, and he's making commissions from it. Okay, and here's another one posted an hour ago by Amanda. Now she has affiliates in her downline going 4 levels deep. It's a 5-level deep affiliate commission plan, and now she has signups in her downline going down 4 levels deep. She has right here on this picture here 59 people on her first level, 20 people on her second level, 6 people on her third level, and 1 person on her 4th level. So she's really crushing it with this system here. Okay, and let me scroll down a little bit, find some more results. Okay, somebody who joined today, and this person here, okay, she's 1 day away from her 3-month mark with 0 sales. So she casually checked her downline and she sees that 1 person signed up today. Okay, and she used one of the sales funnels that we get access to inside this private Facebook group to use in order to promote my lead gen secret. Okay, and she says that this sale came from sign up came from an email that was sent out 2.5 weeks ago. Trust the process, trust in the follow-up. Okay, so she finally got her first sign up. And what I said yesterday about my lead gen secret is that you have to be consistent in emailing your leads every single day, and you have to be patient. Some people didn't get their first sign up until like 2 months later, and here, this person here got their first sign up at just 1 day away from their 3-month mark. Okay, so again, you just have to be patient, and you have to be consistent in emailing all of your leads every single day. And this person welcoming a new partner into the group yesterday. Okay, again, Simon here yesterday, day 30 in my first sale. The system is working fine, and now the next goal is soon here. Okay, so this person made their first sale after 30 days. I made my first sale after, I think it was 10 days. And then the very next day, that person who signed up under me, they got their first sign up. So they're getting their 200 leads per day. All right, another person being welcomed into the group. All right. Okay, so let me go and over here to my lead gen secret. This is my back office here. I just sent out another email for today, so there's only 1 open right now because I just sent this email out. And what I've been doing yesterday and today is sending out these value emails, giving them some business tips and strategies to use in their business if they have one, or in a future business. And I don't even have a link to any affiliate product whatsoever, not even to my lead gen secret. I'm just giving value in these emails. It's one of the things we learn inside of the private Facebook group, is to send out some value emails several times a week without trying to sell somebody something. And do it like 3-4 times a week, and then the rest of the emails can be emails where you're selling whatever affiliate product you're promoting. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. I haven't been doing that late at all. So these are the first 2 value emails I've sent out. Tomorrow I'll probably do an email selling an affiliate program. I'll probably just promote my lead gen secret to those leads. I have 2,700 leads up to this point. I'm getting an additional 100 bonus leads because, as I said before, I signed up somebody in my lead gen secret. All you need is 1 sign up, and you'll get those 100 bonus leads per day for a total of 200 leads every day, which comes out to about 6,000 leads per month. Okay, so those leads really do add up. And a lot of the top leaders here in this Facebook group, they say, like, once you get to like over 10,000 leads in my lead gen secret, then you'll start seeing even more results. Okay, so the more leads you have, the better chances of you getting more results in this affiliate program, and also whatever affiliate product you're promoting, whether it's a JVZoo product, a Clickbank product, or a Warrior Plus product. And there are people who are getting affiliate commissions from these leads inside of my lead gen secret for Clickbank and JVZoo and Warrior Plus, or some main business opportunity they're in. So I'll be promoting my main business opportunity to these leads in the near future. I just want to build up my leads before I do that, and also get some affiliates for my lead gen secret. My first goal is to get enough affiliates for this program that will cover the cost of my lead gen secret. It costs $30 per month. When you first sign up, it's $30, and then there's an additional $30 cost to set up your account. Okay, but after that, it's going to be $30 per month, and that's a really good deal considering you're getting 100 leads per day. And if you do get a sign up under you in this system, you'll get 200 leads per day for $30 per month. So that's a really good deal. And as I said in previous videos about my lead gen secret, these leads are business opportunity seeker leads. These are people who have bought some type of make money from home, make money online product before, and they have opted in to receive more offers like that through email. So these are what are called co-registration leads. They're not as responsive as other solo ad leads that you might get, or from other types of advertising, but they are responsive. You have to warm up these leads, allow them to get to know, like, and trust you. So that's why I send out these value emails, teaching them something, giving them some business tip or strategy to help them, putting my profile picture in the emails, giving them my Facebook link so they can see what I'm doing on Facebook, what I'm posting about on there. I give them a link to my YouTube channel so they can check out the videos I'm making on there. All of these things help to develop that know, like, and trust factor with these leads, to warm up those leads so that eventually some of them will either sign up as an affiliate for my lead gen secret, get the service, whatever, and or purchase whatever affiliate product I'm promoting, or join me in my main business opportunity. Okay, so that's the whole purpose of it. So If you want to get more information about My Lead Gen Secret and how it works, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area to get more information. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.